Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error. Account restrictions prevent this user from signing in to Windows 11. The first step to take is to enter the search, gpedit.msc. Click on the element. Once the console is open, click on Computer Configuration. Click on Administrative Templates. Then, select System. Then, click on Credentials Delegation. On the right side, select the policy, Restrict Delegation of Credentials to Remote Servers. You must double-click on it. Now check the box Disabled. Click on Apply and OK. Once you do this, select Computer Configuration. Then, choose Windows Settings. Click on Security Settings. Here, click on Local Policies. Next, select Security Options. In the center pane, select the policy, Accounts, limit local account use of blank passwords to console logon only. You are going to double-click on it. Then, activate the disabled box, select Apply and OK. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.